Hello and welcome to the channel. Here I have a new EclipSmart Celestron solar filter. I just got it in today, and what I wanted to do was show everybody what it looks like and how to use it. So here is the packaging. Pretty simple packaging. And then as you open it up, looks like we got our solar filter here. And then looks like it comes in a little baggie. All right, here it is. Looks pretty sturdy. It's a solar white filter, so it's not going to be like a glass or anything like that. There you're going to have to get like Thousand Oaks or something like that. Here it looks like it's almost like the cap that comes with the Smith Cassegrain 6SE. That's what I have, is the 6SE. This is strictly for the 6SE. So as you can see here, reflective. And the other side looks pretty cool. And so it looks like it snaps in to the OTA pretty good. So what I'm going to do here is let's put it on the actual telescope and let's see what we can do. So over here we have my Smith Cassegrain 6SE all nice and mounted in the front of it. So what we're going to do is take our new Eclipse Smart cap and we're going to attach it to the Smith Cassegrain just like this. You press in and basically it clips. You just give it a little bit of a push. Not too shabby there. Pretty snug. Front looks good. And then here's from the other side. Alright, so now that we got a nice sunny day here, we're going to go hook up the computer and let's see what we can find out. Now that I got everything set up outside, I got my computer hooked in. I got it somewhat polar aligned right now. I wouldn't say it's 100%, but it's decent. We're going to open up a fire capture. That's going to be what I'm going to use to capture the Eclipse and start practicing with that. Here's my fire capture. So at this point, let's just see, what the solar cap looks like from Celestron. And so from there, we're going to open up, like I said, fire capture. Set it to my camera, which is a ZWO-178. Let's expand this so we get the centering. And so it's not too bad. Here it is, a good look at it. It does look like I do have it in focus, which is nice. And here you can see some sunspots. So I would say overall that the filter is pretty good. Let me move this over. This is my controls for my mount. It is a little windy outside, so it is a little shaky. But other than that, I would say that cap does what it's supposed to do. It looks good. It was easy to put on. But overall, I would say it looks good. Again, it isn't quite polar aligned. I don't have it 100%, but I have it close. I'm going to look into seeing what that entails. But other than that, I would say that solar cap is pretty sweet. And it's not too expensive, and it fits right on your Smith Cassegrain 6SE, which is nice. So stay tuned. We're going to do some more Eclipse videos and stuff like that in the future, and hopefully I can get this all squared up. But again, I'm using the fire capture, and everything looks good. Thanks.